Okay, I'm coming at you guys today with another really dope tip. How you can maximize Instagram stories and get a lot of views and reach on your Instagram story.
Had no need to fight tonight.
So, a lot of people don't know this. You can use hashtags on your Instagram story, but there's a smart way to do it to allow and ensure that your content is still engaging, it looks beautiful, it's creative, and it's not bogged down with hashtags and all these other things. So if we go through this video together real quick, this is something I just made on my iPhone just so you guys can see. I go into my story, I'm just taking a picture of this on my camera today just so you guys have an example. As you guys start typing in your hashtags, just remember you can only use 5 hashtags. I just put a couple right now in the lab: photographer. Just so you guys can see, if you click on it, there's a little scalable icon on the side. It allows you to increase, decrease the size. So if I put that all the way down and then I start to pinch the screen, so bring it in, I can make it very, very small, to where you can't even see it. Then I threw it on a white background and it's literally invisible. So what's cool about that is my hashtags are still on the picture. I'm still gonna get the engagement. If people are looking up that hashtag, they'll see my story, click on it, I'll get those views. Hopefully that can convert to more followers, more engagement, etc., etc. So again, just a quick tip for you guys today. Check it out. Hope you liked it. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe down below. Tell someone about my channel. It's your favorite brown guy signing off. Appreciate you guys.